The potential threat of asteroid Apophis colliding with Earth has kept many astrophysicists on edge. Although NASA assured in 2021 that its path was safe, the nearing flyby date raises concerns. Scientists worry that even a slight interaction with one of the 1.2 million asteroids and comets in our solar system could alter Apophis's course, posing a grave risk to our planet. Renowned scientist Neil deGrasse Tyson recently warned that Apophis might strike Earth at any moment. Why the constant surveillance? What are the odds of a catastrophic impact? Will we survive this event? Let's find out. Asteroids are a common feature in our solar system, remnants from its formation around 4.6 billion years ago. Many of these asteroids reside in the main asteroid belt, situated between Mars and Jupiter, and follow irregular orbits around the Sun. They often spin erratically and tumble through space. With over 1 million asteroids in our solar system, a significant portion is found near Jupiter, where its immense gravitational pull ensures their continuous movement in various directions. Though asteroids have long influenced our planet's history, it wasn't until 2013 that scientists truly grasped the potential impact of an asteroid collision. The wake-up call came with a meteor explosion over Russia's Ural Mountains. The event, captured on camera, struck fear into many. The meteor's brilliance surpassed even the sun's, visible from up to 100 kilometers away. Witnesses also felt an intense wave of heat as the fireball streaked across the sky, exploding in the atmosphere at about 29.7 kilometers altitude. The meteor created a searing cloud of dust and gas that reached 26.2 kilometers. While much of its energy dissipated harmlessly, the resulting shock wave damaged hundreds of buildings across 6 cities, prompting urgent repairs. Consider this comparison to understand the potential impact. The Russian meteor explosion released kinetic energy equivalent to 400 to 500 kilotons of TNT, surpassing the Hiroshima atomic bomb by 26 to 33 times. It marked the first time humanity witnessed the might of a space rock. Now, let's revisit the peanut-shaped asteroid lingering in space, Apophis. Compared to the 59-foot, 9,100-ton Russian meteor, Apophis measures 110 feet wide. Imagine the energy a rock of that size could unleash upon impact. Apophis was initially spotted on June 19, 2004, by astronomers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona. Originally named 2004 MN4, it was later dubbed Apophis, the god of chaos, due to its potential threat to Earth. Initial calculations in 2004 suggested a 2.7% chance of a collision in 2029, causing widespread concern. However, subsequent observations and calculations ruled out the 2029 impact scenario by 2006. Nonetheless, scientists remained cautious about Apophis's close flyby in 2068, as its trajectory post-2029 depended on gravitational interactions with Earth, leaving much of the data speculative. Between 2015 and 2019, Apophis disappeared from our tracking systems as it approached the Sun too closely. However, once it reappeared, scientists confirmed reassuring news. Earth wouldn't face a collision with Apophis for the next century, bringing a collective sigh of relief. But why is Apophis making headlines again? Despite scientists' confidence that Apophis won't alter its path until its close flyby in 2029, there's always a slim chance that one of the 1.2 million asteroids and comets in our solar system could collide with it and change its trajectory. Paul Weigert, an astronomer at the University of Western Ontario in Canada, mentioned, "Fortunately, no such collisions are anticipated. Even though we know it's set to miss us safely, astronomers continue to monitor it closely. It's the asteroid we just can't take our eyes off." Weigert and his colleague Ben Hyatt from the University of Waterloo in Canada examined all the asteroids and comets in our solar system to determine if any would intersect with Apophis before April 2029. They analyzed 2 separate databases, one managed by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and the other by the European Space Agency. Their goal was to pinpoint the asteroids and comets whose orbits bring them within 0.1 AU of Apophis, From the JPL catalog, they identified 376 objects, and from ESA's catalog, they found 396, with 300 overlapping between both databases. After simulating these orbits, they concluded that none of the asteroids or comets would directly collide with Apophis before its April 2029 close encounter with Earth, making the likelihood of its orbit being altered by such an impact extremely low. However, during their investigation, they stumbled upon something significant that could alter Apophis's trajectory and potentially affect Earth's fate. Are you prepared for it? While searching for potential collision threats, researchers encountered an asteroid named 4544 Xanthus. In December 2026, an asteroid will pass by Apophis at a distance of a little over 310,000 miles. While there won't be a collision, another asteroid 4544 Xanthus will pass their intersection point just 4 hours later. The concern is that the proximity could lead to material from Xanthus striking Apophis, potentially altering its future path and increasing the risk of it impacting Earth. The thought of such an asteroid hitting Earth is daunting. Neil deGrasse Tyson warns that it could result in a massive tsunami wiping out the west coast of the United States, causing trillions of dollars in damages and leaving long-lasting effects on the planet. Some predictions even suggest the asteroid could hit just off the coast of Southern California, plunging into the Pacific Ocean and triggering a series of devastating tsunamis. If Apophis were to hit Southern California, projections suggest the tsunami would only reach about a quarter-mile inland along the west coast, minimizing casualties. Fortunately, astronomers have ruled out Apophis impacting Earth for the next century, ensuring Southern California's safety for now. However, the potential encounter with Xanthus in 2026 raises uncertainties. The silver lining is that scientists are better equipped to handle asteroid threats than in 2013, when a meteorite exploded over the Ural Mountains. They believe current technology enables us to deflect asteroids or comets from collision courses. Proposed methods include impacting an asteroid to alter its orbit, or using a gravity tractor, where a robotic probe alters an asteroid's path through gravitational influence. Yet these strategies remain untested for Apophis, leaving their effectiveness uncertain. Interestingly, NASA has revised its plans for the asteroid Apophis. Originally part of the OSIRIS-REx mission, which aimed to collect samples from the asteroid Bennu in 2020, the probe will now focus on studying Apophis. Renamed OSIRIS-APX, the mission aims to gather crucial data about the asteroid both before and after its close approach on April 13, 2029. Scientists hope to gain insights into Apophis's composition and understand how planetary tides influence asteroids in real time. As for the likelihood of Apophis impacting Earth, it's a topic of ongoing study and debate. While the asteroid's trajectory is closely monitored, there's currently no indication that it poses a significant threat. However, continued observations will help refine our understanding of its orbit and potential future encounters. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.